Hello internship seekers, my name is Angelina and I'm going to share with you a 5-step process to help you secure your next internship position. The first step is to identify what kind of internship you're interested in. To do this, you'll need to identify the following parameters: industry, department, job function, location, paid or unpaid, and remote or in-person. Number 2. This step involves drafting a statement defining your motivation for pursuing an internship. For example, I'm a third-year Maine Business School marketing student eager to secure a summer internship to gain marketing and social media advertising experience at a Maine-based agency. Now it's time to begin your search. It's important to start with your personal network. This includes your family, friends, employers, and professors. Be sure to utilize your motivation statement for this part. For the 4th step, you'll need to familiarize yourself with job search databases. These include LinkedIn, Indeed, and your university's own database. Thousands of internship opportunities are frequently posted, so be sure to click the internship button when filtering results. The 5th and final step requires a bit more effort, but can lead to amazing internship experiences. This step involves researching companies you're interested in and contacting them directly to inquire about opportunities to intern with them. A great tool for this is LinkedIn. Keep in mind, securing an internship can be challenging. However, there are many resources available to assist you along the way. With that, I wish you the best of luck in your mission to land your next internship.